you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, this video is sponsored by Luvmehair. They did send over this super cute 12-inch bob curly wig, and it is definitely giving MARILYN MONROE. Okay, like this wig is so freaking cute. I am definitely feeling this unit. Okay, this is what the frontal is looking like. The side, check out the curls. I'm definitely loving this wig. Everything about this wig will be in the description box below. So with that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and just hop right into this tutorial. Guys, this video is from Luvmehair. It does come with this super cute pouch, edge wrap, elastic band, hairpin, tweezers, hairpin that says love me, and an edge brush. The hairline on this wig is already pre-plucked. I love that, so you don't even have to worry about it. The knots are bleached. The knots, I don't know, I'm not sure if the knots are bleached or not. It's the middle part of the knots are bleached. Let's go ahead and install this unit. So I did went ahead and applied makeup around my edges because I am not doing the ball cap method. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some makeup to the lace. You always make me feel like use my bed head to spray my lace just to seal in that makeup. I just can't stop thinking. I will be using Bold Hold Active Glue that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. I'm only gonna do 2 layers because I don't plan on having it glued down long because my skin does not approve, I guess. I don't know. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'll just do 1 layer instead because, yeah, I didn't do a ball cap method, so I'm not gonna put too much up there around my edges.
All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11.
So now I'm just go in and pluck around the hairline just a little bit more because that right there and that is looking too much like a wig to me, okay? But this right here, it looks really good. But I'm just pluck it like all over.
We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we miss it 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, you're all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle.